This is the absolutely gorgeous eastern king snake that we're about to feed some pinkies. Unclear about exactly which subspecies this is, as the Brookses in Florida subspecies, it's either one of those two, are almost nearly identical when they're this young. So we need to wait for it to grow a little older to tell. Here is Pinky numero uno. And he's got it. There we go. Alright, he's going to drag it around, right? And then just kind of force it into its mouth. And now, look at those muscles contracting around the neck and the mouth. You can see that jaw is unhinged and that chin is also unhinged. So that mouth can extend to eat food that's actually larger than the area of its own head because of how much it can stretch itself. The bones on the jaw are actually not connected at all, besides a couple of tendons. So you could see, and now the circular muscles along the digestive tract can push the food down, and you can see it almost looks surreal how the snake can get itself to bend that way to get it to go in. Very interesting muscles. And there's his cute face. That's one nice looking king snake too. The orange speckling pattern. Alright, now we're going to feed this gorgeous diamondback terrapin a nice juicy earthworm. It's a live feeding, so don't watch this if you want to see, the earthworm squirming around, and don't let the cuteness of this terrapin distract you either. It is evil towards this worm. It just bursted. There you go. It's really interesting how he uses the front claws. You can see it's almost hand-like in behavior. Alright, now this is the last little bit of the worm. It took way too long to eat it, so I couldn't videotape the whole thing. Here's the last little bit. Oh, look at that shell. And now we're gonna put him back into his enclosure. There's white-tailed deer right here.